Want to know more about the Addison Grove? Rolling glass doors, grand chandeliers, exposed beams. That barn is gorgeous with zero decorations, which means your dance floor has one job: don't ruin it. Here's the thing about this venue: it's rustic modern, which sounds easy until you actually try to match it. Too rustic and it looks like every other Texas barn wedding. Too modern and it fights the exposed beams and the longhorns grazing outside. A black and white checkered floor threads that needle perfectly. Now here's what nobody talks about with this venue specifically. Those rolling glass doors open the barn straight into the pasture. So your dance floor isn't just indoor anymore. It's the bridge between the barn and the hill country outside. We size it for that flow. 200 guests fit here easily. An 18 by 18 or a 21 by 21, depending on your count, keeps that indoor-outdoor feel intact. Here's the thing about a venue this photogenic. Every wedding here looks completely different because the design adapts to you. Your dance floor is one of the few fixed elements guests actually remember. We deliver, we set up, we take it down. You just show up and dance under those chandeliers. If you're getting married at the Addison Grove, call or text us at 5128-034041 or visit austindancefloorpros.com for a free quote. We serve Greater Austin, Hill Country, San Antonio, and Houston. Links are in the description.